If 1AB plus CCA equals to 697 and there is no carry on addition, find the value of B. No carry on addition means B plus A is 7 only, it is not 17 or anything. Okay, so what you do is directly try to put the values of B whatever are given. Now these options 5, 4, 3, 2 would be given to you in the exam. So directly try each value of B and try to solve it. So let's try with B equals to 5 because that's the only easiest way. B equals to 5. So what happens? 1A5 CCA equals to 7. So 5 plus A equals to 7. A becomes 2. Now A is 2 means what? A 2 plus C. So 2 plus C equals to 9. So C becomes 7. So in the third line what happens? 1 plus 7 equals to 8, but this is 6. So this is not the correct option. B cannot be 5 then. Second option, let B equals to 4. Try it. So the problem becomes 1A4 plus CCA equals to 697. So 4 plus A equals to 7. A equals to 3. There is no carry forward. So only single digit numbers where no carry forward is there. So A equals to 3. So second line becomes what? 3 plus C equals to 9. C equals to 6. So third line becomes what? 1 plus 6 equals to 7. But what is given? It's 6. So B cannot be 4. So that option is also out. Try third option. 3. B equals to 3. So first line becomes 3 plus A equals to 7. So A equals to 4. Second line becomes 4 plus C equals to 9. So C equals to 5. Third line becomes 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Yes, all the three match. So B equals to 3 is the correct option. No need of going for the last option because we have got the answer. Option is C, B equals to 3. A 5-digit number XY235 is divisible by 3 such that X plus Y is less than 5 and X and Y are single digit numbers. Then the possible values of X and Y are here. XY means it can be 1 1 or A